Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 2022 Jeep Renegade Limited. Really nice rig, come out of the Phoenix, Arizona area. A few smaller little chips that I like to point out. You see that on most vehicles, but we don't hide anything. We're very transparent. We're right up front with everything we see on them. Of course, being a limited, the interior is very nice. Got the leather. 52, 356. There you can see it's push button start. And lane departure. There's navigation loading. There's your seat controls, heated steering wheel, heated seats, remote start, Bluetooth, of course. Very nice vehicle, like I said. Kind of got a neat look to it with a limited package and nice shape. Get great good gas mileage. Got a 1.3 turbo in them. This one is 4-wheel drive. Still got plenty of room back, and you can flip them seats down, and you can carry quite a bit of stuff. So for being something smaller, they work really nice. One little dinger right there, one little parking lot. So nice shape, and the best thing is we certify them. Come with 7-year, 112,000 mile drivetrain. So it has the remainder of the 5-year, 60 Chrysler drivetrain warranty. And then we go on top of that, we add a couple more years and take it up to 112,000 miles. So new tires, warranty, you can't beat it. Got great options. Give us a call, 605-692-7010.